To JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see, can you solve this type of question and will you get the right answer? Yes or no? Please comment it below and then watch this complete video. 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 multiply 1. So first of all we simplify the multiplication. So here 5 minus 5 plus 5, oh sorry, plus 5 multiply 1 is 5. Okay, so now here 5 minus 5 plus 5. So first we do here uh, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 plus 5. Okay, and here is minus 5. Okay, so now 5 minus 5 is 0 and plus 5 minus 5 is 0. So we will get the answer is 0. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks for watching.